Welcome to Billy Goat Tales and another episode in our Motivational Crypto Series. I'm Rich Smothers, also known as Crypto Billy, and today we're diving into something essential for anyone navigating the world of cryptocurrency: setting small, achievable goals for 2026. In a market that can feel like a vast ocean, full of waves and currents and hidden depths, it's the steady, deliberate steps that carry you to solid ground. Let's talk about how to chart your course with precision, turning aspirations into realities that build true momentum in your crypto journey and beyond. First, consider the power of starting really small. Imagine a seed planted in the fertile soil. It doesn't burst into a towering tree overnight. It begins with a tiny root pushing through the earth, drawing the nourishment bit by bit. In crypto, your goals for 2026 should follow that same principle. Don't aim to conquer the entire blockchain universe in one leap. Instead, focus on modest targets that compound over time. For instance, commit to learning one new aspect of, say, decentralized finance. Just do that like each month, a new segment. Whether it's understanding yield farming or exploring layer 2 solutions, this habit turns complexity into being familiar with it, right? I've seen countless individuals transform their portfolios not through grand schemes, but by mastering these fundamentals consistently. Now, let's break it down even further. Begin by assessing where you stand today. Take a quiet moment to review your current holdings and be honest about what's working and what isn't. From there, set a goal like allocating a fixed, small percentage of your income to crypto. From there, set a goal like allocating a fixed, small percentage of your income to crypto investments every paycheck. Say 5% to start, or if that's too much, 1%. This isn't about chasing moonshots, guys. It's about building a foundation of discipline. Remember, in the crypto space, volatility is the norm, but your response to it defines your path. When prices dip, view it as an opportunity to dollar cost average into a solid project, like Ethereum or Bitcoin. They're both emerging tokens with real world utility. I've guided many through these waters, and the ones who succeed are those who treat small investments as a step toward long-term stability, not instant riches. Another key is tracking your progress with intention. Use a simple journal or an app to note your weekly wins, no matter how minor. Did you resist the urge to sell during the pullback? If you did, great job. That's a victory. Did you connect with a like-minded community member online to share your insights? If you did, even better. These small acts foster resilience and sharpen your instincts. Think of it as honing a craft. A blacksmith doesn't forge a masterpiece on the first strike. It's the repeated, careful blows that shape that steel. In 2026, aim to review your portfolio quarterly, adjusting based on what you've learned. Perhaps set a goal to diversify into 3 new assets by mid-year, researching each thoroughly to ensure they align with the principles that you've set out, the principles of value and integrity. But here's where it goes deeper. Small goals aren't just about accumulation. They're about cultivating inner strength inside of you. In crypto, as in life, temptations abound. Hype, fear, FOMO, greed. By setting boundaries, like never investing more than you can afford to lose, you protect not only your assets, but your peace of mind. I've witnessed transformations in people who started with humble objectives. A young trader who began saving $50 a week only to watch it grow into a nest egg that funded his dreams. It's this patient approach that reveals true wealth, the kind that endures through storms. As you implement these strategies, surround yourself with those who uplift and challenge you. Engage in forums, attend virtual meetups, or even start a small accountability group. Shared wisdom accelerates growth, turning individual efforts into a collective effort that triumphs everything. For 2026, make it your aim to mentor one newcomer in the crypto space, passing on what you have gained. Givers gain, right? In closing, setting small crypto goals isn't merely a tactic, guys. It's a philosophy for sustainable success. So start today. Don't wait. Define your first modest step, commit to it, and watch how it propels you forward. Your journey in crypto can mirror the greatest achievements in life, but one intentional choice at a time. Thank you for joining me on Billy Goat Tales. If this resonates, like, subscribe, and share your own small goal in the comments below. Until next time, keep building wisely.